So today we are here at BeLive Experience Center, the first experience center of BeLive in Hyderabad. The next thing is it's a multi-vehicle store. Let's go in and find out what all of the vehicles they have and check out everything. Let's go. So once you come in, you can see all of the different branded vehicles available over here. The first one which I saw once I get in was BAT RE, batteries vehicle. Not even one model. We have 3 different models and more models are over there. I'll show you in a minute. So there are 3 different models. 3 different models with 3 different ranges and 3 different specifications. To know that, you have to come over here. Then moving ahead, we have Gemopai's vehicles. These are all the variations. Nowhere you can find multiple brand vehicles at one shelter. Like there are different vehicles over here, not of one company. So many startups under one. Like you can find every vehicle, you can order them also. So moving forward, see these are all the Gemopai vehicles available here. And once you come over here, if you see currently available in the market, like market scenario right now, which bicycles are available, we can see the Hero is dominating. Like if you just Google or if you think, Hero will be available. But 5 different model vehicles are available over here. Not even one. With all are looking with different style, different use, different performance, with everything is available over here. This has different display, this has different input taking display. Here is different, you can see a display for that one. Here I think this is a costliest one which has display and chalk under the seat. So this one looks very cool. See the seating and the position of the vehicle. So these variations in cycles you won't find under a store or in your place. So for this, you have to check out BeLive's place. So it's in Hafizpet. The location and the phone number of the store will be in the description. So you check that out. So these are about the cycles. You won't find anywhere in the store with these many brands. So once you move over here, you can see more vehicles of battery. See this cool looking. It's so stylish, like it's wonderful. See how beautiful this vehicle looks. So this is another model. This is like a Dio model on our roads. So this is another model. This is Gemopai's model. You can see to this vehicle we even have a backrest, back support for the pillion seat. It's comfortable, it's soft and it feels good. Seating is wonderful. Now if you see this completely looks like a Dio. The old Dio, if you remember, it looks like that. So if you sit, see this is a comfort position. It's good, it's comfortable. These model of vehicles you won't find anywhere. If you want to buy like not one model, like if you want to go for another vehicle, you have to go for store to store. You have to search that, you have to go to that location. You have to try finding a dealer in your nearby location. Find a dealer, you will be having problems like maybe EMI problem or to say on-spot delivery if you want. All of that will be, maybe you have a problem like that, but here you won't have that problem at all. So this is another vehicle, TD R3000. It's Astrid. It's wonderful looking vehicle. The color combination, it's looking a sporty and mean look vehicle type. It's good. And another battery vehicles are over here again. And Gemopai and Xing is over here. So with all of these vehicles, you even get a chargers. Here you can see even wall mounted chargers are available. If you want to install these wall mounted chargers on your apartments or in your nearby location for other purpose, for others to use, you can install this. There is a QR over here. See, this is a flap. Here is a socket. Here is the MCB. If you turn it on, plug it in, we can charge our EV easily. Whichever EV we can charge. With all the EVs, we get our 5 amp socket chargers. So we can charge it anywhere with these chargers. So you get here. And under this roof, you can find all of the accessories also. For bicycle, for bike, any accessories you want, you can find it over here. You can check out the website also of BeLive. It will be in the description. And coming here, you can see this vehicle also. BeLive, the EV store, first experience center in Hyderabad. So here you can find multi-branded vehicles under one shed. Next thing, we have EMI options available for you. So obviously we have subsidies. EMI options available for vehicles, for bikes, everything, like whichever you want, under one shed you can find. This place, saying out the place, it looks so good. Like the aesthetics of the place is wonderful, guys. The lighting isn't harsh, it looks very cool. And I love the bicycle section, guys, to be honest. Those many bicycles I haven't seen till now. Like those many different model bicycles. And vehicles, two-wheelers, you can see it's a big row of different models and different companies also. So you can check out each and every vehicle, whichever you want. If you want to buy batteries this model or batteries that model, that looking one, you can buy. You can come check out all the specifications, know the details about each and every product, and you can buy it. So about the place, the address, the phone number, it will be in the description, and BeLife's website also will be in the description. So now I'll show you Gemopai vehicles, boot space and everything, how it looks, okay? I'll show you the vehicle thing. So this is Gemopai's model, okay? So to open the boot space, we have to do the reverse side to the key, then the boot space will open, this will open. See, with the vehicle, you'll get a charger, okay? So here you have MCB to turn it off if you are in a long vacation or if you're using the vehicle for a long time. So vehicle comes with all the warranty and everything. So wrapping it up, this is the first store in Hyderabad with multi-vehicles. You have different model vehicles, different varieties of models, if I be precise. Like this is Gemopai, this is Gemopai, that is Gemopai. But different looking. You can go for the style, you can go for the specification, you can go for many variations. Depending on your factors, depending on your requirement, there is a vehicle available over here. So come to this place, check out the place, everything is in the description, the details, the phone number, the address, everything is in the description. And if you ask me my experience of this place feels pleasant, being real honest. Not because I support TV, because I love this place. Just look around the place. It looks so vibrant, it's very good. You feel like that attachment once you enter the store. You see these many colorful vehicles, all different models. You'll be like in love. It's like a toy store. If you be, for kids, it's like you can choose any vehicle you want. So do check out the store and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So in the upcoming video, we'll have a special guest interview. To know that who is the person, you need to follow me on social media. The links of my social media, the Instagram, Facebook, everything is in the description. Go follow me there. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya.